man. But listen now, we have a little allotment, right? Basically a little piece of land where we're growing our own produce. So we had our first harvest the other day. We got some potatoes, a little bit of tomatoes, we got some courgettes, and most importantly, we get some chilies as well. You see? So now me sitting here having a clever idea, thinking, why don't I eat one of these chilies? You know what I mean? Because obviously no fertilizer, no, you know what I mean? No foolishness on them. This is all natural. We grow this from the ground up here. But then I thought, why eat one? When one is the loneliest number. Be a fool. Have two together. I have my glass of milk. I have some yogurt on the side. I done the ghost pepper chili challenge already, you know what I mean? So this can't possibly be nowhere near as bad as that.
I'm gonna die, bro. Real talk. I'm crying. Can you see my eyes? I'm crying. I feel I'm crying. No, my milk! No! No!
I ain't looking forward to this, yo.
You doing two together?
Yeah, I know. Dumb, right? Hold up. Apparently, the name of these chilies is Ass Burner, right? I don't know the actual official name, but the nickname, I guess, is the Ass Burner chili. And, well, it has that name for a reason. So, anyway, let's just jump into it. Okay, my wife daring me. The seeds. The seeds. Alright. I need some milk.
Any more?
No, good, thanks. We're good. Oh, it reminds me of the ghost pepper chili. The more you breathe, the hotter it gets. Who I feel dizzy? Who I feel dizzy? You're not helping. You're not helping. It's getting hotter. It's getting hotter. Where's it getting hot? Yo, it's like the yogurt activated. Alright, this was a bad idea. This was a really bad idea. I think that third one, I can't feel my mouth. I can't feel my mouth. I think that third one was a... I shouldn't have done that third one. Oh wow. I shouldn't have done that third one. It's your fault. I can't feel my tongue. I can't feel my tongue. You don't laugh, man. I can't feel my tongue. My mouth not burning, it's just my tongue. I can't feel my tongue. All natural, man. No chemical. Oh, come on, as soon as the yogurt done, it comes back. It's so hot. It's so hot. I feel dizzy, man. This is the only way that helps. But as soon as I stop, it comes back. And it's making me feel dizzy, man. This is intense, yo. Hey, never again. Oi, oi, I don't touch my face. I don't. My ears ringing. My ears ringing. Yo, this is no joke. After the chili, I think I survived. I'm dreading going to the toilet. I've got work tomorrow. Woo. Wow. That was hot. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes, yo. I look like I've been smoking. Oh my God. You're so hot you make me on. My face feel numb now. Ass burner chili, man. Wow, yo, that's no joke. Grown from the ground and blossom and bloom and thing and beer. It's no joke. My nose, my sound all nasally now. My nose block up. Any more challenge videos? I don't know. I don't think so. But versatile all the while, man. I did it. Iron Man Chilli Challenge, yeah. I'm gone. My nose all blocked.